we must make sure that we promote this to our family members, to the children and the wives who are not here, sisters, mothers, that this should be told. Because I was born in this country, in Croydon, and I remember, this is my own experience. Born in this country, I used to go to a normal state school over here, come home. There was one family that was very much attached to our family. And my father was very inspired by this very individual, because whenever he used to go to his house, his whole library was filled up with books like Ma'ariful Quran and other books written by the Deobandi Maktaba Fikr. So he used to think this is someone, mashallah, of the same fikr. After 15 years being in this illusion, through the wife of that individual, my mother was invited to Pearlies. Now I'm indicating what Pearly was in those days. And my father, not knowing what this was, he said we should try. She was trying to encourage my father that let's go because there's a great sheikh coming. A great sheikh. So my father asked, who is this great sheikh? Upon finding out, alhamdulillah, he came here. In those days, I'm speaking about 35 years ago. He came to the Khatam al-Nubuwwat. At that time, whoever was here, he explained to my father, and alhamdulillah, from that day we understood what this work is. So stealthily these people are working to promote their idea. We, being on the haqq, should not be fearing of anything. We should be open that there is no prophet after the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May we live on this belief, die on this belief, and be resurrected on this belief.